My name is Tariq. I brought my family over from UK. My son has just got married, and we've resided at this resort. Absolutely fantastic place. I can't recommend it enough. And all this staff you see here, they are really helpful, really nice people. They're from the Christian community. Today's their Christmas, and I want to wish them all a Merry Christmas. And they're wonderful people, but this place is amazing. So if you got any functions or you want to come as a family, I cannot recommend this place enough. And all the staff, Bilal, the manager of this place, wonderful chap. The chef is a great guy, cooks anything and everything we want. So here's a message. If you're thinking of a holiday in Pakistan, this resort, Al Razzaq, is the place to be. Merry Christmas, everyone. I can do noodles if you want.
सर आपने तो हमारी मुश्किल आसान कर दी है